Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about deleting from end of the list. Let us see with the example. So this is the existing list. So here the elements are 4, 6 and 7. Head contains the address of first element, tail contains the address of the last element. Deleting from the end. So which element? This element I am going to delete. This is the end. So tail should point here. This is tail, right? So now you see this is head and the 6 is the tail. In this way I have to change the diagram after deleting the end of the list. So how it can be done? Let us discuss the coding part for that. So here as usual 3 cases we are going to discuss. This is the function name deletion at the end from main function. When it is called, control will come here. Once completed all the task, again it will go back to the same position. So here I want to reach the last node. So I need to traverse. So traverse means I need a temporary variable. And the del node, which node I am going to delete. Both are allocated first. And the next temp equal to head. This is for traversing. And the next first case is if the list is empty. Condition is head equal to null. So nothing can be deleted. That is what printf on the screen. The second case, if the list contains only one element, then what is the condition? Head of next equal to head. If it is head, what I have to do? Head is assigned to del node and both should be make it as null, because after deleting the single node, nothing will be existing on the list. The list will become empty and free of del node. Okay. These two cases are similar from the previous video. What is the third case, else part? If it contains more than one element, how we have to do it? First, I have to traverse to the last part. So first I have to do this traversing. For traversing, first statement is temp equal to head, first step. And then based on the condition, I have to go one by one. Temp equal to temp of next. This is the traversing statement, common statement. But here I changed the condition. Okay. So this is traversing and this is only the modification what we have to do after deleting the last node. So let us discuss with the example of the diagram. This is the coding part. With this we will discuss. First step, as I said, temp equal to head. So temp equal to head is 2000. It is also pointing here. Now temp of next not equal to head. I will write here. This is temp of next and temp of next. Okay. Now currently temp value is 2000. Okay. Temp of next 2000 next is 3000. Okay. Okay, that is 3000. 3000 next is 4000. What is the first condition here? If 4000 not equal to head value is 2000. Yes, it is not. 4000 and 2000 are not equal. So true. Condition is true. What I have to do? Assign temp of next is equal to temp. Who is temp of next? 3000. It is assigned here. Now currently temp value is 3000. So if it is 3000, this link will be disconnected. It create link here. I came here. Okay, now again I have to temp value is 3000. 3000 next is what is the value present here? 4000. Okay, and its next 4000 next is 2000. So what is the 2000 which is head value? Okay, now you see temp of next what I said 2000. 2000 not equal to 2000. No, 2000 not equal to 2000. No, the condition fails. So it will not go inside the loop. It will come out of, because the condition fails, it will come to this step. Del node equal to temp of next. Who is temp now? 3000. Its next value is 4000. So this is what my del node. Del node equal to temp of next. So 4000. I noticed this is the last node I am going to delete. And the next step, temp of next is equal to head. This is temp, its next is this part which is equal to head. What is the meaning? 2000 should come here so that it is pointing here. Okay, this part will be removed now. This will link with this, right? And the next step, tail equal to temp. This is tail. What is the temp value? 3000. So temp is 3000 means it is pointing to this node, 3000 node. Okay, tail is pointing this and head is this and this part is 2000. So it is pointing here. Finally, I am deleting free of del node. So totally it will be removed from this. Okay, now we deleted the last node. So this is the concept. So by using this part, we can delete the last node, that is end of the list. I hope you understand the coding part. Now let us discuss the animation. No node if case, and one node is else if, and then final one is multiple node means else condition. So first, for no node, how it is going to work? Head is equal to null. The first if part is working, no node to delete. It will come out of the function. Next, if it contains only one node. So again, if condition is failing, else if part is now true. So what I have to do? Del node equal to head and head equal to tail equal to null. Free the del node. It is vanished. It will come out of the function. Next to multiple node, both if condition and else if condition failed. So directly come to else part. Here we have to do the traversing. First I assigned a temp equal to head. Temp of next not equal to tail. Till the time I have to traverse. In coding, I used another traversing condition, temp of next. So now the condition fails here. Here del node equal to tail. So tail value previously 4000, it is assigned to del node, and the temp of next is equal to head and a tail equal to temp. Finally, free the del node. That's all. It will complete the function. Now how to write algorithm for this? So as usual, this is empty list. This two cases from the previous video also you can follow the same thing. That is, if it is the empty list, head pointer will be null, so no node to delete. And if it contains only one node, so both head and tail should be equal to null, that we have to do it. And finally we delete the first node. And more than one node means we have to traverse. First step is traversing, assignment at temp equal to head, and then based on which condition I have to stop one step before the last node so that I can make the changes. For that, what is the condition? Temp of next equal to head. I have to check if the condition is true, then I have to traverse step by step. I have to move. Okay, after reaching the exact position, then I have to do the modifications. So del node is equal to temp of next. After that, a head is equal to temp of next is equal to head. I have to assign, and finally update the tail pointer also by using temp, and at the end you have to delete that del node. So that's all about deleting at the end of the list. I hope you understand the concept. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. We will continue in the next video.